In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to create a Google Doc and have it automatically saved and synced to your Drive, so it's available anywhere you sign in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles. Starting from the Drive homepage keeps everything organized from the beginning and ensures your file lands in the right place. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is your starting point for creating files and folders in Drive. If your window is narrow, you may see just a plus icon. Either way, it opens the same menu. Using this menu ensures the document will be created directly inside your Drive, which removes the need for any manual uploading later. From the new menu, choose Google Docs. A new tab will open with a blank document. This is already connected to your Drive, so you don't need to download or re-upload anything. Think of it as creating and uploading in one step. Before you start typing, rename your document. Click the title at the top left where it says Untitled Document and enter a clear descriptive name. Good names make your file easier to find later, especially if you share it or come back weeks from now. Consider including a date or brief topic keyword to keep things organized. Now click into the body of the document and start writing, or paste content you've already prepared. As you type or paste, Google Docs saves automatically. You'll often see a small status near the toolbar indicating when changes are saved. There's nothing extra you need to do. Your work is syncing to Drive in the background. If you paste from another source and the formatting looks off, you can paste without formatting to keep things clean, then style it using Doc's built-in tools. When you're finished or want to confirm everything's in place, switch back to your Drive tab and refresh the page. You should see your newly created Google Doc appear, typically at the top if your files are sorted by last modified. The title you chose makes it easy to spot. From here, you can move it into a folder, start for quick access, or open it again to continue editing. No extra upload required. That's it. You created a Google Doc from Drive, named it, added content, and verified it's saved in your Drive automatically.